Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Power down the PC and unplug all cables before opening the case. Place the tower on a clear, dry surface away from carpets and liquids. Put on an anti-static wrist strap and attach it to a grounded metal surface. Remove the side panel using a Phillips #2 screwdriver and set 4 screws aside in a small container. Identify empty expansion slots and clear any low-profile covers gently. Keep small parts organized to avoid loss during the installation process. Locate an available PCIe X1 or PCIe X4 slot on the motherboard and align the card connector with the slot. Hold the card by its edges and press down evenly until it seats with a click. Replace the metal bracket and secure it to the case with one standard screw. If the network card needs an internal power connector, attach the cable now. Reinstall the side panel and fasten the 4 screws you removed earlier to close the case safely. Power on the PC and enter your operating system to detect the new LAN card. Install official drivers from the manufacturer website or run Windows Update for automatic drivers. After installation, open network settings and verify the link speed shows 1 Gbps or 5 Gbps depending on your card. Connect an Ethernet cable to a router port and check LED indicators for activity. Test connectivity by pinging 888.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.